foothills of Himalaya in the northern India, Rishikesh is known as the gateway to the Garhwal Himalayas. From time immemorial, Rishikesh has been a center of spiritual and religious activities. People from all over the world come here to find peace in their soul. Even the Char Dham Yatra starts from this very legendary city. But if we talk about Rishikesh, it is not only famous because of its spiritual and religious activities, but also because of this very food outlet, that is the Chotiwala restaurant. Located near the magnificent Lakshman Jhula, Chotiwala is a nation-famous restaurant set up by late Shri Harswarup Agarwal in the year 1958. If we look at the history of Chotiwala, it was initially a small tea and food stall. As the number of tourists increased, so widened the vision of late Shri Harswarup Agarwal. He understood the needs of these tourists and provided them with homemade food that they had been missing during their travel. The next question arises, why the name Chotiwala? Let's hear the story from Mr. Sailesh Agarwal, who is the present owner of Chotiwala.
पापा के दिमाग में एक ऐसे आदमी की पिक्चर आई, वो एक चाहते थे कि इसको एक डिफरेंट नाम दिया जाए और उसका रिलेशन खाने से भी हो। तो जो रॉयल फैमिलीज़ में, राजघरानों में जो किचन्स में उनके जो खाना बनाया करते थे महाराज लोग, उनकी पिक्चर उनके माइंड में आई कि एक ऐसी पिक्चर, एक जो उस समय शेफ के वगैरह नहीं हुआ करती थी, तो अपने खाने में बाल ना गिरे तो वो अपने बाल शेव रखा करते थे, चोटी हिंदुओं का सिंबल हुआ करता था। और आज भी अगर आप देखें, साउथ में देखें, तो जो खाना बनाने वाले जो इस तरह के ब्राह्मण्स लोग हैं, वो लोग ऊपर का वस्त्र नहीं पहनते हैं, सिर्फ धोती वगैरह में ही खाना बनाते हैं। तो वो पिक्चर पापा के माइंड में आई।
With the change in the Indian scenario, so changed the lifestyle and fooding habits of the people. Chotiwala understood the nature of these shifts and brought in new innovations in itself and its services. Let us take a tour of this marvelous restaurant. Entering the lane, the Chotiwala mascot is the main attraction of this restaurant. The mascot that sits outside the restaurant invites the tourists and the local people to dine in and enjoy the finger-licking food that Chotiwala prepares. The ground floor is a regular hall with a seating capacity of about 50 to 60 people at a time. To the left is the cash counter and to the right is the beverages counter that holds all kinds of beverages that any individual can ask for. Behind the regular hall is the kitchen. Fresh fruits and vegetables as well as quality products are used to prepare food as per the order placed by the customer. In an interview with the head chef about his experience at Chotiwala, he spoke the following.
यहाँ जो हमारे यहाँ सामान मतलब बेहतर क्वालिटी का, हमारा जो बॉस हो बेहतर क्वालिटी का सामान मंगाता है। हम जितना हो सके अपने दिल से और मेहनत से हम उसे अच्छा सर्व करते हैं।
Moving further to the first floor, to the right is the administrative and the owner's office. And as we move straight inside, we enter into the air-conditioned hall, which has better seating area and better services. The hall has a capacity of about 50 to 60 diners at a time. The hall next to the air-conditioned hall is the super speciality hall. The hall gives a mesmerizing view of the beautiful river Ganga and the glorious Lakshman Jhula. This hall is meant for dining as well as holding events and parties. It has a capacity of about 60 to 70 diners at a time and can accommodate more than 100 people during parties and events. It's now time to look at the food speciality of Chotiwala restaurant. Regular thali that costs Rs 140, special thali that costs Rs 170, simply Indian thali that costs Rs 120 and 95 for adults and children respectively, Bengali style thali that costs Rs 120 and 95 for adults and children respectively, South Indian thali that costs Rs 120 and 95 for adults and children respectively, Gujarati style thali that costs Rs 120 and 95 for adults and children respectively. The beverages that Chotiwala offers range from Rs 20 to Rs 80. The vegetable and the curry menu offered ranges from Rs 65 to Rs 150. The bread menu offers varied ranges of breads that cost from Rs 8 to Rs 50. The salad and the raita menu ranges from Rs 18 to Rs 80. Chotiwala also offers Chinese food to its customers that ranges between Rs 80 to Rs 130. The rice menu ranges between Rs 65 to Rs 130. A variety of mini meals are also offered to the diners that range from ₹65 to ₹130. The ice cream and the sweet menu ranges from ₹25 to ₹80. The soup menu ranges from ₹60 to ₹80. Choti Wala not only attracts people from all over the nation but also people from the foreign countries. Alex from Russia is one such regular customer that visits Choti Wala.
Because in this place, in a good balance between price and quality of food. They have many variety of natural Indian food. It's vegetarian and taste also. I like it.
To conclude, with 3 restaurants in Rishikesh and many franchisees all over Uttarakhand, Choti Wala has earned its name and therefore is famous all over the nation. So whenever you pay a visit to Rishikesh, do go to Choti Wala and enjoy the delicious and magnificent food offered by it.
सामान मैं उठा रही हूँ, डायरेक्ट मैं कर रही हूँ, पानी भी मैं ही भर के ला रही हूँ। सर दर्द हो रहा है, अभी दवाई लेके सब सही हो जाएगा। ना कुछ नहीं हुआ। छोटी वाला पे आज हमें फ्री का खाना मिलेगा। हैं? बुखड़ लोग फ्री का खाना सुनते हैं Teddy.